So hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to see about the dunder function, and it is also known as the operator overloading. So what does the operator overloading do? The operator overloading, we can overload or reuse the operator, basic operators such as plus, minus, you can say that divide or int, any of the operator, length of len, etc, etc. So we are going to see a few of them and how it works. So let's just I have created a class number to show you that how it works. Just print this. That's it. And first I'm going to use operator overloading add and self, where self is the first class and other where other is the second class which we are using, and we are creating another instance of class 4 as a number instance of a class, and we are adding num4 dot num equals to num self dot num plus other dot num return num4. So num1 equals to number 6 num dot num2 dot so num3 to num3 dot show, and that's it. So basically we have created two instances, num1 and num2, with the value 6 and 5, which is initialized to this, and we have created a function show that's between the number, and we have another we have created a operator overloading function add, which will add the number of self, and the other means the inst number of number 1 and number 2, and it will then, so I just use it. So basically it will add this statement. In this statement we are creating an instance, and uh, we are adding num1 and num2. So basically 6 plus 7 equals to, in this num3, which is equals to 13, and basically it is stored in the num3. So it is returning a num4, which is an instance we have created here, as you can see here, and it is adding in the num1. So it is returning and storing in the num3, and num3 is returning the value of it, as you can see. So next I'm creating another. Now I'm overloading a subtract function, self dot others. So now I want to I just copy this code and just replacing this with the sign minus, and num3 so now 4 equals to num3 minus num2, so num4 dot show. So that's it. How we can overload the function num, overload the operator minus subtraction. Now let's just overloading the length operator. What does it do? So I'm now gonna be using a list here, not using a. To show this, I'm going to use a list. And returning the length of. So we are not going to use the count operator. What we are going to do is or I in so what we want to print the length of the range so
ये जॉब है क्या है? पैसा लेते हैं ये लोग.
okay, that's it, and we are just returning the. I'm just trying a new thing. It can happen or not. Just try it out. So print length of now one. Actually, it doesn't have. Might let me just pause a minute for a while. I tried a new thing, but this kind of happens. But it can be done using. I know that it was not going to happen, but yeah, we got the answer. So we can operate. So let's just. If you want to know how many operator overloading can be done, which operator can be operated, so I just need you to. Yes. So that's it. So these are you can find out the operators which can be operated by operator overloading. So thank you for watching the video, and I will make a new video in the next episode. Thank you.